Not a vlog today, guys. Sorry. Today I am doing a food review. This is MI GORENG by Indomie. It is an instant noodle that is stir-fried versus soupy. I'm sure you've all had this before. If not, get to your Asian grocer or Amazon and order this. It's freaking good. I love instant fried noodles. So I'm gonna make a couple packs of this for lunch. And also wanted to show you guys something else that I just found. MI GORENG flavored potato chips made by Chai Tato. So I'm gonna taste this as well, see if it tastes as good as actual fried noodles. So why don't we just skip to the good part. There we go, some instant MI GORENG. Ooh, smells delicious. But anyway, it's pretty straightforward to make. Boil the noodles, take the seasoning packets, put them all in a bowl or whatever, mix that seasoning up, and then you dump the cooked noodles on top of the seasoning. Mix that up, add an egg if you want. I topped it with some scallions. The great thing about this is also you can use it to actually stir fry with. So, you know, you can do like meat, you can do veggie, you can do whatever you want. It's real versatile, and, you know, it can actually be a relatively healthy option, you know, versus like, I don't know, Big Mac or, you know, whatever, Chick-fil-A. Let's eat. Oh, wait, I can't eat yet. Just a little, you know, just a little digestive aid, you know. Try the mezcal. La Hita. Oh snap! Look at that! It's got a worm in it. I don't think I've ever had a tequila that had the worm in it. Pull it up, pull it up. Ah, woo! Oh wow! That's smoky and kind of spicy. I'll save the worm for later. Anybody want the worm? Whew. Indomie. All right, I'm gonna go for the speed record. See how fast I can eat this. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Mmm. Oh, that's spicy. But it's very tasty. Definitely need a chaser. I need some water. MI GORENG actually kind of reminds me, flavor-wise, of mama noodles. Just a little bit, but it's definitely a little spicier. It's getting stuck in my throat. I'm the worst speed eater in the world. I don't even know how long it's been. It's been a while. Mm. Oh boy. Oh, that was a good MI GORENG. Time for the chip. See how they taste. A little bit about MI GORENG, or at least Indomie MI GORENG. It's a Indonesian dish. I'm not exactly sure what makes it Indonesian, because honestly it tastes a lot like any of the instant noodles that you would get from China and Thailand. They've been frying instant noodles for a long time. Like, take mama noodles for instance. You just take the mama noodle, boil it, drain the water, and just dump all the ingredients in on top of the cooked noodles. Same thing you do with MI GORENG. So, all right, let's taste this MI GORENG potato chip. Yeah. It tastes a little different. Salty, obviously. Little tiny hint of sweetness. It's Kind of spicy though. It's very reminiscent of like Bickle's barbecue potato chips. A little less salty and a little more like of that umami flavor, probably from the soy sauce. The first ingredient is potato, that's a good thing. Refined palm oil, which could be a bad thing depending on what side of the fence you're on. Salt, sugar, monosodium glutamate, MSG. I don't mind MSG. I love MSG. Onion powder, garlic powder, soy sauce powder, soybean wheat, silicone dioxide, probably to keep it fresh, yeast extract, paprika extract, peanut flavor, caramel color. So 150 calories for this bag. 18% of your daily intake of saturated and trans fat. 115 milligrams of sodium, which is about 7%, no, 5%. It's not bad. Total carbohydrates, 18 grams. That's good after a CrossFit workout. And it has protein. 2 grams of protein. There you have it, guys. I give that a win. You get yourself some of that.